wise and get truckerized today.
Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a before and after tune-up report on this beautiful 148F GTL for chainsaw in Kentucky. Chainsaw disconnected the top back so that I could do this video, and then I'll hook it back up for you. Somebody's put a dial of watt in here, so we got the RF power all the way down. Basically about a quarter watt all the way down. Hello, 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 hello. Goes to about 3.5, 4 watts bird. 50 watt peak. Hello, 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 hello. About 23 peaks. So it's doing some pretty good peak numbers. Roll this thing up here. I get it keyed about 12 watts all the way up, which is way, way high. Hello, 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 hello. Going over 25 watts. So we're going to tear this thing to see how it is, see what it needs, what we can do for it. But a very clean radio, and it's going to make something a really nice one. These are hard to get. We'll go return. All right, we're back. We got our setup ready to go. This thing was very nice inside. I was very pleased with it. I did calm down the top back a little. They had a 10 ohm resistor in there. We put a 47 in. Even at that, with the Superstar, which they have a ton of audio, you can only run the mic gain about right there, but he runs a noise canceling mic, so he'll be able to run it just about anywhere he wants. Start with RF power all the way down. We went through and got that readjusted. It was just dead keying too high all the way up. 25 watt slug. There's half a watt all the way down. I'm gonna roll it all the way up. There's 5 watts. Show you average power swing. Look at that. Hello, hello, audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 2, 3. No doubt audio. 1, 2, 3. Show you peak. 50 watt scale. Hello, 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 hello. 2, 2, 2. Audio. Got 27 there. So let's roll this thing down to try to do it one-handed here. About 1.5 watts. Hello, audio. Got 26, 27 watts and 8 bird. Audio monster. It's gonna work good on sideband too. Let's show you. Hello, 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 audio. Hello, audio. Getting about what is that? 18 bird watts or so on sideband. Alrighty, my friend, it's ready to come back to you. I hope you enjoy it. And your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.